is a favorite salad of mine. In the summer, you can use fresh cranberry beans when they're in season, you know, in the late summer, or any time of year you can use canned pinto beans. Now, canned pinto beans are actually great, a really useful bean, but you must drain and rinse them before you use them in the salad. Now, we're also going to be using two of my favorite herbs, mint and flat leaf parsley. This is so simple, you just won't believe it. We're going to put those in just an oil and white wine vinegar dressing with a little bit of shallot to make a really light, sharp dressing for this really easy, tasty salad. And to add a bit of saltiness, we're going to top it off with some capers. So let's get cooking. Look and learn. I'm going to make the dressing. Now, this is a great way to use instead of, this is about a teaspoon. I'm going to put a couple of these in. And this is white wine vinegar. A couple of grinds of salt, sorry. A grind of pepper. Now I like to put the salt in at this point because then it melts into the vinegar. Now this is the olive oil. There we go. So now it's kind of nice and emulsified. And I'm going to put in the shallot. This little bit of chopped shallot. Now this is going to give the dressing a lot of flavour. And I'm also going to add in, this is a little bit of chopped parsley and a little bit of shredded mint. Now all of this is going to make a really light, herby, oniony dressing, which is just slightly tart, which is going to be really great to go with the beans and the tuna. Now, it's a good idea to let this sit a bit, especially so I often make this while the beans are cooking if I'm making my own beans for this. So today we're going to use, these are actually pinto beans, which are canned, and what I've done is I've taken them out of the can, obviously, and I've rinsed them to get all of the salty sauce off them that they're cooked in. I happen to like pink beans. I think they're really great. If you are in the summertime, I make this salad with fresh cranberry beans, in which case then I'll cook them with a little bit of garlic and before I add them to the salad. And honestly, the cranberry beans end up looking just like this. Okay, so I'm going to put these now into the dressing. And get them really well coated. This is actually such a simple, fresh tasting salad. It's not even funny. And I'm going to add the tuna. Now this is water-packed chunk tuna. This is like a really classic antipasto salad. And last but not least, we're going to add some capers. Capers add a nice tart saltiness to the salad. Okay, now all we need to do is let this sit for about 10 minutes in a cool place for the flavors to blend, and it's ready to eat.